All right, guys, we are out here at the shop, and as you can see, I got the G8 on a battery tender now. It's my old boat one. The battery was dead the other day. I don't know if I've got a draw or what's going on, but it is dead. So we have not done anything with the shop yet. Just worked in it. As you can see, there's just a bunch of oil and shit. But I did want to give you guys an update on the G8. So moving forward, I'm going away from the 292 that's in it, that's stock axles. And I just happened to find probably the greatest deal of all deals. You guys know me, I love a good deal. And when it comes to them, I fucking spend my money. So I picked up a used 323 ZL1 Cradle. I paid $2,000 for it. The only thing it didn't come with was the brakes, as you can see, the Brembos, which is fine because I can't and won't go to Brembos. So that'll be converted anyways. The mag ride I'm gonna sell, and then I kind of need, so I'm gonna do BMR lowers, LCA's tow rods, and then turn around and then do Hendrix solid bushing inserts. And I just don't know if I should, and this is kind of for everyone that's watching, I don't know if I should take the cradle, because you got to figure these arms that are rusty will be gone anyways with the BMR stuff. So I don't know if I should switch out the arms and just put the cradle in, maybe wire wheel the rust, if you will. There's not a whole lot. I mean, this car came from Texas, so you know this is like basically, you know, the ditch side rocks peppering or just slightly hitting the cradle when whoever was driving it. This isn't a salt thing. If this was salt, it'd be way worse. The horns I don't really like as much because, you know, they are pretty bad. Not really bad, but pretty rusty. So I'm thinking about maybe either sandblasting it, because the cradle itself isn't big, so just sandblasting it and doing it all at once, and then switching and going to AFCO coilovers, 323 obviously, like I said, BMR stuff, and then I'll do aerospace brakes. That way we cut on a little bit of weight with the added weight of the diff. I mean, the diff is beefy. But yeah, we're gonna have to do pretty much solid everything. I'm gonna keep the upper arms, and I think I'm gonna have those blasted and powder coated. So, you know, have these blasted and powder coated. Kind of wild that the GM sticker is still on there. And I can almost tell you a part number, 23110. I think it's 245. That's kind of crazy. But yeah, so we're gonna do that. I just wanted to give you guys an update, kind of see where you guys think I should do, whether I should wire wheel or if I should just have it sandblasted and powder coated. I don't have my booth up and running yet, obviously. I still got to do the other side of the shop and then start doing powder coating out of there. But just wanted to give you guys an update on that, kind of see what you guys wanted to do. I am going to do that entire series regardless if it's in here or not. Well, it'll 110% be in here, but regardless if I'm wanting to do it or not, I'm going to do it in here so you guys can get a full ZL1 cradle swap. And then when I do the ZL1 cradle, I'll also be putting in a turbo 400. So, you know, the car will have, it has a stock 6L80 right now. I'll swap it to a TH400, and I'm kind of don't know what I want to do yet for a shifter. I've seen some people run the M&Ms, and I've seen some people run, but usually they'll run the M&Ms like on the center console, like sideways, so it's not actually in the center console, and I don't really like that. So, and that's weird. The dash is on in the G8, but yeah, I'm not sure what I want to do yet. So we'll get all that stuff squared away. I really want to try and make the season as long as possible though with this current cradle. So with the 292s that are in it and the trans. I want to make this last as long as I can and then go to swap everything else, so that way I kind of get my money's worth out of the 6L80 and the 292. But yeah, other than that, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Give me a heads up down below what you think I should do in terms of powder coating, whatever the case may be. Maybe you might know the prices for the mag ride suspension, because I do not. So I mean, I've looked around on eBay and prices are a little bit everywhere, so if you guys could help me out, that would be sick. But yeah, other than that, guys, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned. We're going to be getting this cradle in eventually, a turbo 400, and then, you know, one-piece custom drive shaft, whatnot. But I just wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up about everything that was going on. So like, comment, subscribe down below. I appreciate you guys, and then let's make 2025 a good year. Later, guys.
Got the G8 warmed up.